ready for this great view? Check it out. Whoa! Amazing! Such a great view. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. The entrance at the beginning to the Himalayas is spectacular. Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries, and the adventure continues. Good morning everybody, welcome to the city of Manali. This is where my motorcycle expedition to Ladakh begins. And Ladakh is basically one of the great motorcycle rides in all the world here in India. It's where you go up the Himalayas, you go to these amazing monasteries. It's truly the biker's epic road trip. So I'm really excited to document this entire journey with you guys for the next 2 weeks. It's gonna be amazing vlogs. I'm gonna make a cinematic video out of it. I got my buddy Vikas that's gonna come with me as well, help me film. Really show you guys the incredible experience that it is to drive a motorcycle around this part of the world. Not very visited, but it's certainly one of the most iconic and incredible places in all of India. All right, so it's currently 8 a.m. and what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna head up this mountain here to a very small town called Majaj. Hopefully get a nice view. We were there yesterday and we didn't do anything because the weather wasn't very good, so we waited for the sun. We just happened to come out and we're gonna do some awesome pictures, great drone stuff, and see what the road looks like. So really exciting. Get ready for an awesome day. For those of you who don't know, I am driving a Royal Enfield Himalayan. This is the brand new one. It is an awesome bike. I love it. It's very light, nimble, and usually you know Enfield because of these wonderful bikes called a Bullet. If you guys remember, I actually drove this exact same colored motorcycle and model to the highest road in the world here in India about 3-4 years ago. I guess you ready? Let's do this. It was an absolutely beautiful drive up here. We came back to the same place we were yesterday with the team. Actually getting these great shots. I mean, just look at the scenery. Absolutely gorgeous. Put the bike on that cliff, which was super sketchy, but I got a really great picture out of it. Another cliff over here, which I put the bike on again. Real sketchy, but I got a great picture. This little city of Manali definitely should be on your bucket list for places to ride in Ladakh. We're gonna finish our picture taking and take off. So Vikas over here is gonna try to take the big camera and we're gonna do some cinematic filming. I think over here was very nice to take pictures. Good job. Thank you.
You wanna say some cool lines?
I'm gonna say a cool line. Alright guys, we're now leaving Manali and this is the first view and it is beautiful. Look at this. This area, you find these cool bridges with the prayer flags on the side. Headed to Jispa, and this is one of the more interesting roads that we're going to take. And we're going to head to Rohtang Pass and we're leaving Manali. Look at that view. Right behind the clouds is actually the Himalayas. Got Vikas in front of me. He's leading the way. Alright, so here's the deal. If you want to go to the Rohtang Pass, you actually have to get a special permit, and they charge you 50 to 60 rupees to actually get up. So you have to actually do the checkpoint here to do that. There's online registration, and you can actually show up and just do it as well. Lucky, because planned ahead, we did it beforehand. And we get on the line here and make our way up. And if you're wondering, it's pretty much just a piece of paper that says this, that, and it's that easy. You can see we are not the only ones that are driving bikes up this road. You know what? It's not about the bike, as you see. It's a good, nice one, but you know what? Any bike can be an adventure bike. All right, nice to meet you guys. Okay. You guys, here is the water boy, because he's been carrying all our water for us. Good man. Thank you, sir. Look at this view. Check it out. Look at that amazing road down there. Woo! Almost to the very top, right?
We've got another 10-15 kilometers.
Oh, never mind. 10-15 kilometers. If anybody is curious, we are 10,000 feet above sea level. Alright, this is what we like to call a Rohtang Pass traffic jam. And this is what I like to call the reason you drive a motorcycle. For times like this, to off-road or not to off-road is the question. So that guy just stopped to take a picture. So the entire traffic jam was because one guy just wanted to stop and take a picture of me. Sorry? I don't speak Hindi, sorry. You went on to picture? Haha. Alright, come to Rohtang Pass, see the sights, and have people sit on your motorcycle. That's exactly what's going to happen. Yep, that's exactly what was right here. Oh, look at him trying to be sexy. Look at him. Oh yeah, you're cool, man. Look at you. And you're getting off the bike the wrong way, but okay. Alright, I've made a mistake here. The last thing you want to do is let people sit on your bike. Well, everybody loves the Royal Enfield. That's what I've learned today here at the Rohtang Pass. No, I gotta go. One more. Oh my gosh, right, Sophie. Bye-bye, you're welcome. That was fun. You ready for this great view? Check it out. Whoa! Amazing! Such a great view! Absolutely gorgeous, love it! The entrance at the beginning to the Himalayas is spectacular.
Call it off, let it go. All for nothing. I should have known. I made mistakes, crashed and burned. So many chances, no time to learn. I need to find another way to make things right.
Ah, what a long day it's been. Oof, woke up at 7 a.m. It is now 7 p.m. Just arrived to our campsite. It's very cute. We actually stopped at the hotel right there, and they wanted like $40 US, and we came here and they're only charging us 10 or 12 US, and it includes breakfast and dinner. So what do you think I'm going to choose? The problem though is in this little place here, it's beautiful, but there's no Wi-Fi, so I can't upload stuff, I can't download stuff that I need. It's going to be a bit difficult, so sorry for you guys following on Instagram. Very nice. We got the mountains, we got other tents, we got more mountains, nice little sunset, a little cute place, and this is our wonderful villa for the evening. Let's see here. Let's check it out. This is what you get for 12 US for 2 people. Look at that, not bad. So Vikas and I get to share a bed today. We got some plastic chairs and seats. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh yeah, look at that. Luxury at its best. Anyway, that's the end of my day. I'm gonna go eat something and download cards and charge all the crazy batteries I have to charge. So thanks for joining me. See you tomorrow.